high call series.
See children, here some objective type questions. Okay, fill in the blanks are there. You study them carefully and write the suitable answer in the box given and write the suitable answer in the blank given. Okay, using here multiplication fact. See, in the section A, first one is box is there, divided by 5 is equal to 7. Is equal to 7. You know that 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 sevens are 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 5 sevens are 35. Okay, here box is here 5 is equal to 35 by 7. Okay, 5 is equal to, from each and every multiplication fact we can write two division facts. Okay, from every multiplication fact we can write two division facts. So 5 is equal to here 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7. When 35 is divided by 7, we can get 5. We can get if you want to get 7, 35 is to be divided by 5. So here, if you here what you have to get 7, you have to get. If you want to get 7, 35 is to be divided by 5. So here 35 will 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. What is the multiplication fact used? 5 sevens are 35. 5 sevens are from, here you write, from 5 into 7 is equal to 35. We can say that 35 divided by 5 is equal to 7. Like that. Right, children? Here, box divided by, you see, 14 box, this is the division symbol, divided by 14 is equal to 8. If you want to get this box answer, simply you multiply these two, 14 into 8. So here box divided by 14 is equal to 8. So if you want to get the answer in the box, 14 into 8. 14 into 8. 14 into 8, this is the multiplication fact. 14 8s are how much? 112. How much? 14 8s are 112. That is the multiplication fact. You write here 14 into 8 is equal to 112. If you want to get 8, 112 is to be divided by 14. 112 is to be divided by 14. So, if you divide 112 with 14, then you can get 8. Okay? If you divide 112 with 14, 14 8s are 1. Like that. So, this is the multiplication fact. From the multiplication fact, okay, that division fact was filled. In the box you write 1. Okay, now come to B. Find the divisors in these divisions. Divisor we want. What do we get? Divisor. Divisor we have to get. 60 divided by box, you see children here. 60 divided by box is equal to 10. Is equal to 10. See here. 60 is to be divided by what number to get 10? To get 10. So, you know multiplication fact. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. So, if we divide 60 with 6, then we can get 10. We can get 10. That's why here 6, what we write? 6. 60 divided by 6 is equal to 10. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. Okay. And at the same time, we can observe that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. See, divisor into dividend is equal to what? Divisor into quotient. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. That is equal to dividend. In case of exactly division, dividend is equal to what? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. Here what is so here the answer was filled. That means dividend divided by divisor is equal to quotient. Quotient is equal to dividend by divisor. Quotient is equal to dividend by divisor. Okay, now you see this 76 divided by 76 divided by dash, here dash, blank, to get 4. You know, 19 sevens are how much? 19 fours are how much? 76. 19 fours are 76. 19 fours are 76. So when 76 is divided by 19, we can get 4. When 76 is divided by 4, we can get 19. That means from each multiplication fact, we can write 2 division facts. Okay, children. That's why here 76 divided by 19 is equal to 4. 4 19s are 76. 4 19s are 76. Okay, children. Here divisor calculated. What is calculated? Divisor. Divisor is equal to what? Dividend by quotient. Divisor is equal to dividend by quotient. Dividend by quotient. Here, dividend divided by, see children, dividend divided by quotient. Dividend divided by quotient is equal to divisor. Now, fill in the blanks. 37 is divided by 1 is equal to dash. If any number is divided by 1, then we get the quotient is the number itself. Division facts already studied. When any number is divided by 1, then the quotient is number itself. 137s are 37. 137s are 37. So here what we get? 37. We write in the blank. Here 0 by something is 0. If 0 is divided by any number, 0 is divided by here any number, then we can get 0 only, any number. So 0 by something is equal to 0. But something by 0 is not defined. Something by 0 is not defined. That is undefined. So, we discussed in the properties of division. When 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is 0 always. Now here, third one, see. If any number is divided by itself, then what we get? The quotient is 1 always. If any number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1 always. That's why 341 divided by 341 is equal to 1. Okay, children. Why? Because here you see here 341 divided by 340. 341 ones are 341. Remaining 341 ones are 341. One time. That's why if any number is divided by itself, the quotient is the number itself. Okay. Now come here. If any number is divided by, if I told the same point here, I told. Once again see here. 736 is divided by 736. The result is 1. Here, 341 is divided by 341, answer is 1. Like this, 736 is divided by 736. Quotient is 1. Quotient is 1. If any number is divided by itself, then the quotient is 1 always. Next. Here, 0 by something is 0. 0 by something is 0. Here, in this example also we studied. 0 is divided by 436 is 0. So if 0 is divided by any number, then the quotient is 0. Quotient is 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. But something by 0 is meaningless. Something by 0. Division by 0 is meaningless. Look at here. Now, this one see. Like this one. Here 0 is divided by 856 is equal to 0. 0 divided by 856 is equal to 0. 0 by something is equal to 0. Okay, students. Here 0 is divided by 856. 856 zeros are 0. 856 zeros are 0. That's why we write 0 by something is equal to 0. Like this we fill up the blanks. Okay, children? So using the properties, we can do the divisions and we can check the division works. Children, now we go for divisions. Division. Okay, in that exercise 2.10, there are some division problems. Division of a 4-digit number. Division of a 4-digit number by a 1-digit number. Okay, this is the model. Divide the following. Some problems are there. So, okay, of them I will teach you some problems. It will be help of that. You can practice the remaining some section. You see, children, under the section A, divide the following. Okay. Here, 4-digit numbers are to be divided by a single digit. That means 1-digit number. Okay. 4-digit number is given for you. You take this 4-digit number and divide by a 1-digit number. Stepwise. First of all, first to be here 9th question. See, divide the following. 2589 divided by 8. This is the question. 2589 divided by 8. First of all, you show the Actual division you see 2589 divided by 8 divided by 8. Here 8 threes are 24. 8 threes are 24. Remainder is 5 minus 4 1. Now from the dividend bring down 8. From the dividend bring down 8. Now you see how many times in 18? 8 twos are 16. 8 twos are 16. What is the remainder? 8 minus 6 is 2. 18 minus 16 means 2. Now from the dividend, bring down 9. Bring down 9. How many times? Here, 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 30. That's why 4 times only. 8 4s are 32. That means more we are getting. That's why 8 3 times. 3 times you take. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 5 is the remainder. R stands for remainder. This is quotient. This is divisor. This is dividend. This is dividend. This is quotient. So, in the step 1, what you did? Units, tens, hundred, thousands. Okay. Thousands plus 2 is there. Okay. 8 can't divide 2. That's why you take 25. 25 is a greater number. Okay, na? That's why in 25 we divide with the, here 25 is divided with 8. 25 is divided with 8. How many times? 3 times. 8 3s are how much? 24. That's why, yeah, 3 times we write. In the step 1, how many times we write? 8 3s are 20. Subtract 25 minus 20 is equal to how much? 1. So like this, divide and subtract. Divide and subtract. Now in the step 2, 8 is bring down. Bring down 8. Bring down 8. Then number is, then number. That means the next dividend. The next dividend. What is the next dividend? 18. What is the next dividend? 18. Now divide 18 and subtract. Divide 18 and subtract. How many times here? 2 times. 8 2s are 16. 8 2s are 16. Subtract. 18 minus 16. 2. 18 minus 16. 2. Now in step 3. Bring down 9. Bring down 9. Bring down 9. Then the number is, then the number. That means next dividend. Next dividend. Okay, then what is the next dividend? 29. What is the next dividend? Now divide and subtract. Divide 29. Divide 29. With what? 8. How many times? How many times? 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32 more. That's why 3 times. 3 times 10. Okay. That's why here 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. What is the remainder? 5. All the digits taken from the dividend. All the digits were brought down over. That's why here 29 divided by 8 means 3 times I wrote 23 are 28, 3 are 24, remainder is 5. This is the process. This is the process. Okay, children. So here from 29, what is subtracted? 24 subtracted. That is equal to 5. This is the remainder. Like this, we show the division by single digit number. Here 4-digit number is the division divided by a single digit number. Like this. Okay, children. Now come to another question. What is that? 4,000 divided by 5. See, children, that one. Four thousand divided by 5. Okay, students. So, as usually, take the number 4,000 and divide it by 5. Okay, see. Here 4 is less than 5. 4 is less than 5. That's why in two numbers you take. In two numbers. That means take 40. That means thousands plus and 100 plus together. 1000 plus 100 plus. Both you take. That means in 40. In step 1. In step 1. Divide 40 with 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40. So, 8 times 5 8s are 40. Subtract 0. That means 40 minus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, children. Next one what? Bring down 0. Bring down 0. 5 zeros are 0. Again bring down this last 0. 5 zeros are 0. Like this. 800 times. So step 2. 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. Step 3 also. 0 divided by 0 is equal to 0. That's why how many times? 800 times. 5 divides 400. 5 divides 400. 5 divides 5,000. 5 divides 4,000. How many times? 800 times. 800 into 5. Check your check. 800 into 5 is equal to how much? 5 8s are 40. 2 zeros. 4,000. Like. Okay, children. Now we come to one more question. Study the 18th question. In this sum, in this question. Six, 18th question. In the 18th question, what is the 6087 divided by 4. 6087 divided by 4. So 6087, right, divided by 4. In step 1, divide 6 with 4. Divide 6 with 4. 6 is divide 6 with 4. 6 is greater than 4. Okay. In step 1, here, six is greater than 4. So divide thousands and subtract. Divide thousands, place digits and subtract. So 6 divided by 4. How many divided? So here divide thousands. Divide thousands and subtract. And subtract. So here 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. What is the remainder? 2. Now bring down 0. Bring down 0. So here 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. Now step 2, bring down 0. Bring down 0. So next dividend is next dividend. What is the next dividend? 20. What is the next dividend? 20. Now divide 100 and subtract. Divide 100 and subtract. Step 3. Divide hundreds and subtract. So here, how many times here? 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Subtract 0. Okay? So here 4 5s are 20. 20 minus 20 is equal to 0. Next. Now bring down 8. Bring down 8. How many times? That means we are divide tens and subtract. What we do here? Divide tens and subtract. Tens digit is 8. Divide tens and subtract. Divide tens and subtract. See here. So here 8 is bring down. 8 is bring down. Now 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 8 0. So here divide tens and here what we have to divide tens and subtract. Divide tens and subtract. That means here 8 is divided by 4. How many times? 2 times. Okay. That's why your 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now bring down 7. Bring down 7. Okay. How many times here? Step 5. 4 ones are 4. 3 is the remainder. 3 is the remainder. So divide once. What we write here? Divide once and subtract. Divide once and subtract. So 4 ones are 4. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 is divided by here 4. Here what? 7 is divided by 4. How many times? One time. So 7 minus 4, 3. Remainder. Check. Check the division. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient. So quotient into divisor. Add the remainder. What is the quotient here? 1521. Into what is the divisor? 4. What is the remainder? 3. Multiply. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 fives are 20. 0 2 is there. 4 ones are 4 plus 2 6. Plus 3. Add. 6087. 6087. This is the dividend. What is this? Dividend. So divisor into quotient plus remainder gives dividend. Okay. Are you all followed, children? Okay. Now we can go to the word problems. Word problems.